Logic 10x5 trailer with a ramp on the back, braked, got the hitch lock for it, look, it's all in good order. Recent new floor, it's got LED lights. That tyre is virtually brand new, it's still got pips on, look. Floor is solid, little ramp, lights are all working away there, look. Got the LEDs and the side lights on. Flop down ramp. This is good how it protects the lights when you fold it down. Quick release number plate holder. Lashing straps on the side there. Again, this tyre's nearly like new, still got pips on. Brakes have been refurbished and apparently it's had new suspension units on as well. I'll get some pictures of them. Unless we can see under here. Oh, you can see the shininess of them there, look. I'll try and get some better pictures. So there you go, nice shorted little trailer, good sandy size, single axle.